So our software, Gorilla ROI, there's a pro and a con. Our pro is that we built on top of Google Sheets, so there's extreme flexibility. We provide that data so you can put it into your spreadsheet and then create the dashboard or automate your existing spreadsheet rather than trying to say fit your workflow into some other spreadsheet or software. But the con is, again, we're built on top of Google Spreadsheets, so we do have limitations in being able to do certain things. We can't customize and do whatever we want. We can't edit every single menu, etc. So there's some limitations. The speed also, it's not going to be as fast as, let's say, if we were doing it on our own application, because for example, when this data is loading, like let's say I delete this formula. So this one formula is pulling in the sales total for the yesterday on a per ASIN basis. If I undo that formula, you'll notice that it's taking, say, 3, 4, 5 seconds to load all of this data. If you have 10,000 SKUs, obviously it's going to take a little bit longer. And as the data refreshes, there's that time period that you need to think about.